Manchester is called the city of football and music by day, then at night it transforms into a vibrant paradise where people find freedom, joy, and inspiration. And within that dazzling scene, the image of Manchester's women stands out most, alluring, confident, and full of life. They are not only the soul of nightlife, but also the embodiment of the city's spirit, strong, diverse, and endlessly radiant. Walking along Deansgate locks at 11 p.m., you'll see groups of girls arm in arm, laughing loudly, their dresses shimmering under the golden streetlights. Each carries her own style, some elegant in a silver evening gown, some youthful in a mini dress paired with knee-high boots, while others embrace edginess with leather jackets and sharp eyeliner. But what they all share is the same glow of confidence, as if stepping onto a stage where they themselves are the stars of the show. In famous clubs like Warehouse Project, Impossible, or 42's, laser lights sweep across the dance floor, turning every smile and every glance into unforgettable moments. You might notice a girl swaying to techno beats, her curly hair flowing wildly, glitter sparkling on her eyelids. Nearby, another group dives into house music, dancing without hesitation. The freedom in their movements is a statement in itself. In Manchester nightlife, everyone has the right to be themselves. The Northern Quarter offers a different shade, artistic and bohemian. In small bars, girls appear in retro style, crop tops, vintage floral skirts, worn sneakers with character. They sip craft cocktails, engaged in lively conversations, their eyes glowing as if telling 1,000 stories. Here, charm isn't just in outfits, but in natural charisma, in their laughter, in the effortless confidence shining through every small gesture. Manchester Nightlife 2025 also reflects the city's cultural diversity. You'll meet women from all over the world, Europe, Asia, Latin America, all blending together, dancing together, sharing endless joy. This fusion creates a colorful mosaic that makes anyone who visits realize Manchester isn't just a city, it's a living experience. The night ends when the clock strikes 3 a.m., but its echoes linger. You'll remember the confident smile of a stranger who brushed past you on the dance floor, the sparkling eyes of girls along the street, the feeling of immersing yourself in a world where everything is vibrant and alive. That is the essence of Manchester nightlife. Seductive, magnetic, yet authentic, and close to the heart. And it is the women here who make it truly unforgettable.